finish up and have a seat, please. You can finish when I'm finished. Have a seat, please. Okay, a couple of things. We learned how to roll slabs the last time we were together when we made the coil pot. And let me get this where it should be. There. And if you remember, we threw our square that we wedged until it turned into a fat pancake, and it has to be fatter than your slab sticks. You have to roll on plastic, because if you try to peel it off your newspaper, it gets really messy. Okay? So you're going to throw, not yet, you're going to throw your clay until it's just a little fatter than your slab sticks. Then you're going to put your slab sticks here. And remember when we said to roll it, you go all the way across each time. You don't want those ridges in it. And it takes a little bit of muscle. Sometimes it's easier if you stand up. So what I want you to do right now, bless you, is roll a really big slab. Becky, did you have a question? Okay. All right, roll your slab, please. When you're rolling, you'll see a little air bubble pop up. If you do, pierce it with your paper clip so it'll let the air out. Has anybody come up with one of those yet? You can see it because it looks like a little bubble underneath. So just use your paper clip and like stab it and let the air out.
Do you do both of them or just one?
Well, you probably are going to need to do another one. But with your little piece of pattern, if I'm going to make a box, how many of these do I need?
4, 6, 8, 4, 6.
Well, I need a bottom.
5.
I need a bottom, and I need 4 sides, right?
5.
Then if I wanted a lid, it would be 6. All right, but we're not doing lids today. We're just going to make a box. All right? So I need 5 slabs that are the same size. And if you don't have enough clay to do all 5, cut as many as you can, set them to the side, and then roll out a slab with your other piece of clay.
Go ahead and cut them.
You're going to use your paper clip to cut the pattern. And remember, when you make your own slab pot, you can make it as big as you want. We're just doing small ones today so that you learn how to do it. Your clay should be even all the way across if you use your slab sticks correctly. And if you need to roll another slab to get your 5 in, please do. We are using our paper clips like we would use a pottery needle. Pottery needles are sharper at the end than paper clips, but these work pretty good. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Ooh, it's close. Now, if you can't get all 5 because of time constraints, that's fine. I just want you to know how to get started. And then tomorrow, since you have experienced pinch pots, coil pots, and slab pots, then you can actually not redo, but make any changes to your rough draft. I know some of you have changed your minds about what kind of pot you want to make, and that's fine. That's why we do this. I would assume that your symbols would probably stay the same. Yes, sir. That means it's too dry. Was it too dry on Friday?
Yeah, I sprayed it like
If you put it away today, break it up into little chunks all over and spray it that many times. Remember, don't get too attached to the pot we're making today because it's going to it will cease to be a pot at the end of class.
How long will we have to make our actual?
That's a good question. At least 3 days. That's 3 class periods. And I'm staying after school on Wednesday with Max to help catch him up. If you bring me a note from your parents saying they'll pick you up at 4:30, then you can come and work on it from 3:30 to 4:30 on Wednesday.
I gave you verbatim.
Wait a minute.